Well, diesel engines were designed to basically take the place of gasoline engines, even though that didn't happen, but there were side benefits. But the primary difference that really separates the two from each other is the fact that we ignite the diesel and the gas differently in the two engines. Gasoline engines require a outside spark or heat source to ignite the air and the fuel that's in a cylinder. Whereas in a diesel engine, we compress the air a lot more than we do on a gasoline engine, which makes the air hot enough to ignite fuel when it's injected into a cylinder. So we don't need a spark in a diesel engine. And that extra pressure that's in the cylinder from that extra compression is what creates even more pressure in the cylinders and makes diesel engines produce more torque, which makes them ideal for semis and doing heavy work versus a gasoline engine, which is better at propelling light loads at faster speeds.